Faith meets Khulubuse's wife and she's shocked at how beautiful she is because we expect her from Julie. Now she's even second guessing herself. Gosi feels foolish for trusting Goxia, but Palisa is there to comfort him. Msizi goes to pay Goxia a lot of money in order to keep him on his speed dial, and Noah makes it clear that she doesn't want friendship with Ona. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. So finally, Faith meets umfazi Khulubuse. They came to her house. Untombi, she's so beautiful. She looks so beautiful and humble, down to earth, muhle nje inside out. They meet again. She's just so well spoken. Says ukuthi shothi umndeni manje. Ugwabini told me a lot about you. It's nice to finally meet you. And says ukuthi yena she doesn't shake hands with family. Akaqhawula umndeni. Faith was short. Kanti uthi I hug umndeni. Opens her arms and embraces Faith. Faith akasathukanga and says ukuthi yes, it's nice to be here. Umuzi wakho muhle. You've got a beautiful home. We've been looking forward to coming here. She's all nice, all smiles. Faith is stunned actually. Like she's just so shocked. And then she goes to prepare drinks for them and starts to vent to Ulazi ukuthi yo, did you see how beautiful she is? She's so beautiful and like I didn't expect that. What does Khulubise want with me if she's got a woman like that? She even hugged me. Like Faith is just stunned. She's the Ntombi just swept Faith out of her feet because I think Faith was expecting ufa Julia nje wasemakhaya ozofika shunqa iduku and all that, but yo muhle ke Ntombi. And now she's even second guessing herself. What does Khulubise want with me? She's got a woman like that. What does he want with me? Laz had to prep her saying ukuthi hey wena now Khulubise loves you. Uyakuthanda. That's why now you fearless, you smart. Yo, I'm prep Olas, but you can just see ukuthi she's shaken. Ngapha uSibahle is like, Ma, why are you all smiles with this woman? Kusempini la. You're supposed to show her flames. Uma wakathi yey. I am not going to do that. Akusempini la. Impilo yethu le. And she goes on about Faith lives off men. Lendle yakazwide is not hers. Now she wants to live off ubaba wakhe. But uma wakhe called her to order that you're gonna respect Faith. And now Faith and Msizi again. They celebrating finally Goxia is out of Nkosi's life. Now Faith can breathe because she was starting to worry about Nkosi because this woman was controlling him. Athi yazi nami ngiphunyukile, this woman was starting to sell me out now. Tell Nkosi ngami, but Nkosi had wanted nothing to hear about it. And Msizi athi manje wena ukwazelaphi because he was now talking about you. Msizi lies and says angimazi nami. Uyahlanya lo muntu. And then Nkosi has a venting session no Palisa, saying that he feels foolish for trusting Goxia, but it's so weird because at some point she was exactly helping him, but for her to make her believe that to be Kulma no Shoki, that was just weird. He says he feels stupid in all times, but Palisa is there to comfort her. That's here whereas Kudu kanjani ma nice. Yes, Palisa is never nice. But I guess because umqedile uFaith or she's got her own agenda to get back with Gosi. And then Msizi goes to see Goxia and pays her a lot of money, saying Kuti he wants to keep her on his speed dial. She's someone that is going to need. Because Goxia was shocked. This is a lot of money. And that is a down payment for a future. Hey, does she know Kuti uba payroll Msizi, it comes with challenges? Now, Ona tries to talk to Neo, saying, this, it's weird, it's awkward between them. Can they talk? She misses their friendship, their laughs. Neo made it clear, yeah, I don't want to be friends with you. What we've been through, we can never go back from that. And Maria is worried about Ezekiel. He's got the whole of Tembisa wrapped around his finger. Now, the whole church is worried what he's going to do to the community of Tembisa what he did to her sister Umapula. Ukeletso is also worried about her friend Ukatleho. Ukatleho also goes to the church and says Father Ezekiel Upapa is just showing him a different side, blah blah blah. Now Ukeletso is worried because now you're even speaking like him, as in like he's just in too deep and says it's like some people have bad energies. Keleso is shocked with how bad energy ke nna byanong. Now probably I need to go in like over now. Pila Ezekiel we rango kerekeng. Auntie Ezekiel is planning to use the youth to get money from the rich and put it in his pockets. And also wants to get rid of Isaac because Isaac is going to stand in his way. But says Guti is just going to wait for him to make the first move. And then after that, he deals with him. I hope Isaac doesn't get involved because Maria is busy pushing him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.